Run Windows apps on your Mac with TSplus. Access your full Windows desktop or apps instantly from any Mac browser. You're working on a Mac Air, but your job depends on Windows applications or a full desktop environment. Sound familiar? Maybe it's a legacy ERP system, or perhaps it's your remote office desktop that you need access to every day. The current workarounds, running virtual machines, installing clumsy RDP clients, or juggling multiple devices, are slow, frustrating, and just outdated. What you really need is a seamless, secure solution that keeps you productive without all the hassle. Let's see how TSplus makes remote Windows access on a Mac simple, secure, and seamless. With TSplus Remote Access, you can open your Windows apps or desktop directly from your Mac, using just a web browser. Our solution is ready to use immediately. No installation, client software, or complex setup required. Just launch Safari or Chrome, log in, and you're connected securely in seconds. Whether you need full desktop access or a single Windows app, TSplus Remote Access delivers a smooth, hassle-free experience right inside your browser. Meet Jane. She's a graphic designer who loves working on her Mac, except for one thing: her company's core app only runs on Windows. Working remotely, she needs access to that app. But setting up a virtual machine or switching to a PC? Not an option. Then she discovers TSplus Remote Access.
I really need this Windows app, but I'm not installing emulators or dealing with dual boot again.
You don't have to. With TSplus Remote Access, just open your browser. Your Windows app will be right there.
Even on a Mac? No installs, no setup?
Exactly. It works on any device: Mac, Chromebook, even an iPad.
A few clicks later, Jane is up and running, working in her Windows app right inside Safari. Now, let's explore why this works so well and how it keeps your system secure. TSplus Remote Access installs on any Windows PC or server. This becomes your host. From there, Mac users simply open a secure web portal using any modern browser. Your Windows apps run on the host machine, but appear seamlessly in your Mac's browser. No local processing means your Mac stays fast, clean, and secure. No downloads, no clients, just connect and work in real time. We've seen how TSplus brings Windows apps to your Mac with zero hassle. But what about using it across all your devices? To walk us through it, I'm joined by Frank, product expert here at TSplus. Let's talk devices. Frank, I've got a MacBook, an iPad, and even an iPhone. Can I use TSplus on all of them?
Absolutely. TSplus Remote Access is built to be universal. As long as you have a modern browser, Safari, Chrome, you name it, you're good to go.
So no need to install anything on the Mac or iPad?
None at all. No downloads, no client software. Just open your browser, log in, and you're connected. Whether you're on macOS or iOS, it just works.
What if I switch devices mid-session? Say, I start on my Mac, then grab my iPad?
That's the beauty of it. Your session stays active and secure. Just log in from the second device and pick up right where you left off.
That's seamless. One solution, all devices.
Exactly. TSplus Remote Access gives you a consistent experience, whether you're on a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Total flexibility, no compromise.
Next, let's talk performance and why remote access works without virtual machines or emulators. Say goodbye to bulky virtual machines and clunky emulators that slow you down and drain your system. With remote access, there's no need for heavy setups. We use real-time RDP technology, streamed securely right through your browser. Your Windows apps run directly on the host server, but feel like they're running natively on your Mac, with smooth performance, zero lag, and no installation required. From startups to global enterprises, over 500,000 organizations trust TSplus for secure, reliable remote access. With global infrastructure and optimized delivery, users enjoy fast local performance anywhere in the world. And best of all, remote access works with what you already have. No need to change your system or move to the cloud. Whether you're a freelancer, IT admin, or part of a distributed team, TSplus delivers the stability and peace of mind your work depends on. Want to try it yourself? Download the free trial, install TSplus Remote Access on your Windows host, and access it instantly from your Mac browser. No strings, no complications. Just fast, secure Windows access right from your Mac. Download your free trial today at tsplus.net and discover how effortlessly you can run your Windows applications on a Mac. Thank you for watching.